3 years, thousands of drones, hundreds of billions of dollars spent, yet the war continues. Why hasn't Russia been able to bring the conflict to a decisive end? The answer isn't just about military power, it's about geography, logistics, technology, economics, and the determination of both sides. I will reveal why the war still continues. Russia has one of the world's largest militaries, but military size alone doesn't guarantee a quick victory. Modern warfare depends on intelligence, supply lines, communications, and adapting to changing conditions. A larger force can still face major challenges if these elements become difficult to sustain. Click on the like and subscribe button before we look into Ukraine geography. Ukraine is one of Europe's largest countries with long distances, rivers, cities, and military defensive positions. Every kilometer requires manpower, equipment, and logistics. Holding territory can be as demanding as advancing into it, which makes it so difficult for Russia to conquer it easily. Click on the like and subscribe button to see the next video on the Ukraine drone revolution. One of the most striking revelations has been the remarkably widespread utilization of drones. Affordable unmanned aircraft are now actively performing both reconnaissance tasks and providing guidance in the artillery strike, as well as carrying out military objectives. Both Russia and Ukraine have been continually adopting innovative measures to introduce electronic warfare techniques and implement new countermeasures in order to safeguard their interests. Click the subscribe button to see the next video on Russia-Ukraine war logistics difficulty. Wars are sustained by the logistics network. Fuel, ammunition, spare parts, and food are essential for warfare. However, successfully moving these resources over long distances and maintaining their safety under constant surveillance, an attack poses a significant challenge. Subscribe for more updates. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has also become international in many ways. Ukraine has received military, financial, and humanitarian assistance from multiple countries. Russia, meanwhile, has expanded domestic production and sought external partnerships. The result is a conflict influenced by resources extending well beyond the battlefield. Click on the subscribe button for more updates. The Russia-Ukraine has reshaped military thinking around the world. It has highlighted the importance of drones, logistics, technology, and resilience. Whatever happens next, analysts across the globe will continue studying its lessons for years to come. Subscribe to Global War Narratives to get more updates on the world's biggest conflicts with maps, technology, and history.